get all of my hair on. Okay. Good morning, everybody. So it is about 6:30 in the morning, and my crew and I, we're about to head to our first excursion. Today it is Saturday, the 31st of August. I can't believe August is done already, but here's my fit for ATV. I'm gonna meet everybody downstairs for 7 o'clock, and yeah, today should be a very fun, adventurous day, so I'm looking forward to that, and hopefully we can catch some adventure. But if not, I will definitely pick up my camera very soon. Say hi to the vlog, guys. Kenny Bulls. We're about to do our adventure. Oh, look at my boy. I need to get like him. My boy's running this morning. Say good morning. Morning. About to go on our adventure. Oh my God, it's so hot. Wait, I was like, where's Chardonnay? I know I saw. I saw that on Denise. I saw that. You got some water? You got some water? You okay? Shots? You okay? It's still swelling? What did you eat? You allergic you allergic to shrimp?
No, not shrimp. It was
What?
it's either.
Good morning, beautiful people. You're ready? Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Where's Sammy? All right, guys. All right, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hola.
Go like this.
Hola, mommies. Be in this bus, guys. At least we get to see a view. I mean, hola, mommies.
I'm happy.
If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. But you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer, there be somebody's time. Don't take my energy from your father. And my pastor say, I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come up my jigger. I go just say, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm kicking dynamite. After your candle light, you know I'm just that type. No, them nothing kill my vibe. Them nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill.
Pussy we no one dip that like Chinese rice or the clip that show it up and make.
Okay guys, I'm Kitson.
Hey, Keaton.
And Felix gonna be with you, we're gonna be with me. But it's a pleasure just to be here with you guys. The most important, I don't want any of you put in your mind you come here just to do the movie action.
Belle! Say hi! Daddy! Sammy! Hey!
I love you, baby. Alright, baby girl.
Desi! Hey!
My baby
iba a grabar, pero en baja calidad. Y ella me dijo que no está, es una maldita loca, una ratatá. Ella lo que quiere es que la ponga en 4K. Yo le iba a grabar, pero en baja calidad. Y ella me dijo que no está, es una maldita loca, una ratatá. Ella lo que quiere es que la ponga en 4K, 4K. Pero en baja calidad. Y ella me dijo que no está, es una maldita loca, una ratatá. Ella lo que quiere es que la ponga en 4K. Yo le iba a grabar, pero en baja calidad. Y ella me dijo que no está, es una maldita loca, una ratatá. Ella lo que quiere es que la ponga en 4K, 4K.
my God, somebody jumped in?
Jump.
That's what I said, no, thank you.
No. Hold on.
Wow. It's giving crystal caves. Will it be in crystal caves, guys?
It seems like it.
Who's getting in? He said no. I know, it's probably freezing.
Fresh water.
I know. Oh, Nikki, you getting in? We'll look at it.
No girl can't see me and start problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me a want them. Tell them this a real Sheng Yang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that. Them a fist me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if I she that. If a girl touch me, me nah say me nah me that. But if me a take your man, me a keep that. She a fist me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if I she that. The big bad and brave, so me beat me chest. No girl can't see me and try take set. The bitch shoulda stick, so bring her to the vet. Sheng Yang stamp it in a chest when me step. No fight over man, no stress over youth. Some girl head full of ear like parachute. When me and him bar, everybody say we cute. She done a navigator and take another route. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me take Jordan, me a keep that. She a fist me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if I she that. If a girl touch me, me nah say me nah me that. But if me a take a man, me a keep that. She a fist me in a street and pass and whisper.
Hey, girl, that was Girl, I stopped saying.
What you think it is?
Huh? Because I was still already recording.
too deep. I look big. I can see them as too deep. I can see them as too deep. I can see them as too deep. I can see them as I look big. I can see them as too deep. I can see them as too deep. I can see them as too deep. I look big. I can see them as too deep. I can see them as too deep. I can see them as too deep. Ay, dígamelo, ¿cuánto quieres por la por fuera se te ve bonito?
This is part of the tour. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Thank you, gracias. So look at it. Right here, this is the coffee beans here. Cafe, coffee beans. And this is cacao. Cocoa beans from a chocolate. So coffee and the cocoa, the same process. We put on the sun dry for 2 weeks. After here, we put in here like this, and that's to separate the bean of the shells, the bean of the skin. After separate the bean of the shells, we roast it for 25 minutes. You gotta smell the dent and the taste of that roast. We grind them here too. We grind them. Then we got 100% natural Dominican coffee.
He's making it as a tray. Yeah, and this and him has that.
Loca, ven pa' acá y abre la boca. Como tú que tan poca, no digas nada que hoy se choca. Fita, así que fita, me cinturita. Así que fita, me cinturita. Así que fita, me cinturita. Ay, 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 fita.
Macao beef. We made it to the beach, guys.
So we're gonna go for a swim. That tour was amazing. Got a little dirty, but we made it.
Chardonnay from the baby daddy.
This is funny. A guy got one on the He's good. My good girl, no. Oh, godness.
No.
No peeing in the
Family
pool.
shit. No
pussy we no one dip dog. Like Chinese rice or the clip towel. Show it up and make you fall from your disc dog. You know one none of this cause man a